Awesome. Welcome to the inside of my iPhone 6s. This will be the device I'll be using throughout the entire course to show you exactly how to use Snapchat for your business or brand. So you can see down the bottom left that I already have Snapchat installed. If this is not the case for you, go ahead and search it in either the App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on what device you have, and download it to your device so we can get started signing up. Great. So now that everybody has it downloaded, I'm going to go ahead and click the Snapchat icon and load up Snapchat. So one thing I want to point out ahead of time is signing up for Snapchat is the most simple social media platform that you can sign up for. It's going to take us about 1 minute because Snapchat, as I'll get into further down in the course, Snapchat doesn't actually have a profile for you to display on Snapchat. It's just a username and a password for yourself. So we're going to go ahead and click the blue sign up button to get started and input our email address. So you want your business email address in here. And then go ahead and choose a password. Your password must have one capital letter and one number. And then choose your birthday. And then go ahead and click that green sign up button that pops up. Next is you're going to be choosing your username. Now, this is the most important step because this is the only thing that is not changeable right now on Snapchat's interface. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to use as a simple username as possible because when you are advertising your Snapchat account, you're going to have to be telling people this name or writing this name on your blogs or social media platforms in order to direct them to this profile. So the tips that I have for creating your Snapchat username is simply to use your business name. If your business name is taken already, go ahead and put some periods or dots in between the words. Or you can add an additional word on the end that is the market or niche you're in. So for example, if I ran a store called Turtle Pizza, I could have Turtle Pizza in there. Optimally, I would have Turtle, but I know that's going to be already taken. You can see by the thumbs down icon that Snapchat provide. So if I try Turtle Pizza, it's probably going to be taken. The thing that you can do is you can put a period in between the words. It's also taken. So maybe Turtle Pizzeria. It's good. So I'm going to go ahead and go with that. So for your business, because this is very important and it can't be changed right now on Snapchat, you may as well stay here and test out 3 or 4 names until you find the most optimal name for your business, because there are a lot of people on Snapchat, so there are going to be a lot of usernames already taken. I'm going to click the continue button now. And then you have to verify or input your phone number. This is they say so they know you're a real person. It's also to reset your password if you forget it. I'm just going to go ahead and click skip in the top right. If you don't want to put your number in here, no big deal as well. And click skip. It's totally your choice. Then they just want you to verify your account. So you just want to click all the images that contain a ghost. This just makes sure that you are not a computer, but you are a human being. It's a little bit tricky, but here we go. And that's me recording on the mic right now. We are into Snapchat. So this may look a little bit foreign to you, or it may look familiar if you've used Snapchat before. I'm going to be breaking down exactly what all these features are on Snapchat in the upcoming modules and exactly how to use them in order to optimize your business and get more customers and sales for your business. So that's it for the first lecture. Congratulations, you've now set up a Snapchat account.